Is your big Cartel store turning away customers before they even see your amazing products? Don't worry, because in just 90 seconds, I'll show you how to transform your online shop from drab to fab, boosting sales and building a brand you're proud of first. Let's simplify your layout. Head to your Big Cartel dashboard and click on the design section. This is where the magic happens. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Big Cartel offers a range of themes, from minimalist to bold. Pick one that complements your products and target audience, favoring clean lines and easy navigation. Now, let's focus on branding. Consistency is key. Select a color palette of 23 brand colors and stick to them throughout your site. Use your brand colors for the background, text, and button accents. Choose readable fonts that reflect your brand's personality. Don't use more than 2 different fonts to keep things simple. One for headings, one for body text. Let's talk about visuals. High-quality product photos are non-negotiable. Use well-lit and focus images that showcase your products from different angles. Consider using lifestyle shots to help customers visualize your products in use. Think of your product shots as an investment in sales. Make it easy for customers to buy. Use clear and concise calls to action on your product pages that add to cart and shop now buttons should stand out. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Most people browse on their phones, so a responsive design is crucial. Big Cartel themes are generally mobile-friendly, but always double-check on your own device. Streamline your navigation. Categorize your products logically, and make sure your menu is easy to understand. This will help customers find what they're looking for quickly. And there you have it. By focusing on layout, branding, stunning imagery, and user experience, you can create a Big Cartel store that not only looks amazing, but also converts visitors into paying customers. Now go make your store shine.